What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 27th of July. It's the evening. It's about 8:40 p.m. on the East Coast. We're taking a look at Casper market. So we put a video out this morning. We're getting some very nice follow through today on the chart here. Some super nice price action. So ticker symbol CSPRUSDT. This will be Casper/Tether. Guys, on tradingview.com. This will be a daily chart. Let's take a look at a couple things. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. Before we jump into this here, you saw in the beginning of the video, I had a little slide up for a Tasty Trade account. Guys, if you are looking to open either an account in general, maybe you don't have a brokerage account or something like that, maybe you are open to options for other accounts. I've been using Tasty Trade for a long time. It's only been getting better. Very good pricing. I can trade futures. I can trade options on futures. They do have a handful or so of cryptocurrencies. You can have retirement accounts, Roth IRAs, which is really nice. You can trade, you can buy and sell, you can trade futures all within a Roth IRA. You can trade crypto, you can trade stocks, buy, sell, hold, whatever the case may be, all within a Tasty Trade brokerage account. Guys, there's a link down in the video description if you are interested. I appreciate it if you use that link. It does help support the channel. Also, one more thing before we get back to the Casper chart is, at least recently, I'm not sure about going back further in time, but at least recently with a Roth IRA, you can buy fractional shares, and this might hold true in all types of accounts. Definitely in a Roth IRA, I have personally done this. So if you are funding your Roth IRA, and let's say you want to buy SPY and the price is $400 a share, maybe you are only putting in $50 this week or whatever the case may be, you can still put the money into the Roth and have it invested right away. Very cool. I know Vanguard does this as well. Just something on the side of stocks, options, futures, crypto. Check out Tasty Trade, guys. Link down in the video description. Thanks. Back to the video. Here we are. Back to the Casper chart. Guys, put out a video this morning on Casper. There is some very nice follow through today. We still have to watch this closely, but we are getting some nice action. A couple of the things we spoke about was this area right here. It's a early warning sign, and we've talked about this in many other videos across different cryptocurrencies. When we get a pullback like this, so we had nice support here. We have 4 different levels of support, all in the 3 level, 61, 63, 65, and 70. We rallied up into resistance at 415, got a pullback. This pullback came in above support at 370. And when you see something like this, so we have a major low in place, we rally, we get a pullback, we have another low. If this low can hold, the move to follow, which will be a higher high, which is what we're seeing. We don't have a higher high yet, but we're starting to get that move that I'm talking about. It can be extremely strong. So you have the low in place, you print a higher low. It should, your warning sign should be going off there, because the move to follow can be extremely strong, and that'll print a higher high, and it's very bullish to see that. And it looks like Casper is in the early stages, although getting later here in that move once we break this high, assuming we do. So this morning we were at much lower prices, and I said, there's a good chance this is the higher low, and the move to follow can be a very strong bullish move, printing a higher high. So we have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Markets switch into, this is still a lower low. Market prints a higher high. Market pulls back, prints a higher low. And then boom, we get that big leg up, printing a higher high. And the trend has changed to the upside. So I just wanted to put out a video here this evening. Although we have not fully confirmed the change in trend, we have not printed another higher high. It appears that we do have this low will hold. We're starting to get that move. We are above resistance number 1, 395.0395. Next level is 415. If we can break that and break the high over here, which is 427, takes us up to 435, which takes us into a higher high, confirming that change in trend. And then it's, off to the races. We just continue to watch our levels up here for areas to either 1, take your profits, or 2, know where the market is likely to pause for a bit. So this has a very rough inverse head and shoulders look to it. It's clear. It's not perfect here. And maybe this is printing the right shoulder here, and then we'll get some kind of a breakout, just, for what it's worth. But it's looking like the trend has changed, and we're getting a new move to the upside. But we're not quite out of the woods yet. We need to get above this high here, the 23rd of July. That high is 427.0427. A break above that, a solid close above that, and we could see much higher prices here for Casper. The next major resistance is at 466, this white line on my chart. It's the lower end of this consolidation here. You can see we had support at 466 back here in May, rallied up, and then broke through it big time on the 4th and 5th of June last month of this year. So guys, let's see how we close today. 395 is closest to the market. Above that, 415, 435, and it looks like the bulls are back in control, although we're not 100% out of the woodwork yet, of this project of Casper. Let's jump over to BTC. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin still holding here at the 143.22, right in here. Still a concern of mine that this is a slight pause, a slight wedge up into a lower low and back down to 28.249. So if that scenario took place, that will not help the Casper markets. But until that starts to play out, but it's on our radar, hey, maybe we'll luck out and just see a very nice green candle back up into those 30,141 or so level. But we're watching Bitcoin. Casper looking good right now, assuming we get a nice strong close on today's candle. So keep your eye on it, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all of the new subscribers. Thanks, guys. Check out that Tasty Trade link down in the video description. Head over there, read about the technology, read about the platform, see if it is the right fit for you. All right, guys, take care.